Hi everyone, it's Brett with It's Picking Time. We've been working on this thing this week, partly about the strumming hand. We've been working on the strumming hand, and it is what I kind of call waterfalling down the strumming pattern, or waterfalling down the chord, let's say. So it's not, I'm going to get into the dual view here, and it's not all down and then back up. It's more 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4, 2, something like that. So we want to control and kind of break up the chord into different pieces. D, it's even more specific. I misspoke because it's not really specific. It's more just breaking up the four strings that you have in the D to try to make them play them differently. What am I trying to say?